If your child breathes through the mouth or snores, take note. Mouth breathing is often a sign that the airway is under strain. Here are 4 red flags. 1. Sleeping with the mouth open. 2. Waking up tired or irritable. 3. A long, narrow face or dark circles under their eyes. 4. Crowded teeth or small jaw. These changes are associated with mouth breathing and poor nasal airflow during growth. An early evaluation by an airway-focused dentist can guide healthier jaw development, improve sleep, and prevent long-term problems. Children do not usually grow out of airway issues. They grow around them. Follow for more.